Imagine a courier business owner, John, who's struggling with the burden of high fuel costs. His profits are dwindling, and he's desperate for a solution. John's story is all too common in the courier industry. High fuel prices, often fluctuating unpredictably, can indeed create a significant dent in the profitability of his business. It's a dilemma faced by many, and it's not an easy one to solve. But what if John could find a way to significantly reduce those fuel costs? Let's explore some expert opinions on this matter. Experts in the courier industry have a few tricks up their sleeves when it comes to saving on fuel costs. One of the most common strategies is regular vehicle maintenance. According to many industry professionals, a well-tuned engine can significantly improve fuel efficiency. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, and brake checks can go a long way in cutting down your fuel costs. Another strategy is efficient route planning. Experts often highlight the importance of using GPS technology to find the shortest, quickest routes. After all, less time on the road means less fuel burned. And let's not forget about traffic. Avoiding peak times can save both time and gas money. Driver training is also a key factor. As many experienced drivers will tell you, the way you drive can greatly affect your fuel consumption. Smooth, steady driving is far more fuel efficient than rapid acceleration and hard braking. Furthermore, experts also emphasize the importance of load management in your vehicle. A lighter load means less work for your engine and, consequently, less fuel used. So it's always a good idea to keep your vehicle as light as possible. Lastly, it's worth mentioning the role of technology. Innovative solutions like fuel management systems can provide valuable insights into fuel consumption patterns, helping businesses make more informed decisions. While these strategies can help, the type of vehicle used in the business also plays a crucial role in fuel consumption. It's no secret that the type of vehicle used can significantly affect fuel costs. Let's delve into a comparison of gas, hybrid, electric, and hydrogen-powered vehicles, all vying for the title of the most fuel-efficient and cost-effective option for your transport needs. First up, traditional gas vehicles. They've been the kings of the road for decades, but their reign is being challenged. Gas vehicles are familiar and plentiful, but their fuel efficiency can leave a lot to be desired. The costs of gasoline also fluctuate, often unpredictably, which can make budgeting for fuel a bit of a guessing game. Now, let's consider hybrid vehicles. They combine a gasoline engine with an electric motor, providing a balance between the old and the new. Hybrids offer better fuel efficiency than conventional gas cars, with some models achieving up to double the mileage. However, they still rely on gasoline, which means they're subject to those same unpredictable fuel costs. Then we have electric vehicles. They're powered entirely by electricity, meaning no more fuel costs. Isn't that a pleasant thought? They're quieter, cleaner, and generally cheaper to run than gas or hybrid vehicles. But as they say, there's no such thing as a free lunch. Electric vehicles have higher upfront costs, and while charging stations are becoming more common, they're still not as plentiful as gas stations. Finally, we have the new kids on the block, hydrogen-powered vehicles. These futuristic machines use hydrogen gas to power an electric motor. They emit only water vapor, making them a great option for those looking to reduce their environmental impact. However, they're not without their drawbacks. Hydrogen fuel is expensive and not widely available, and the vehicles themselves are still quite costly. Choosing the right vehicle can make a massive difference in fuel costs. But remember, every business is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. Fuel costs can be a significant drain on any courier business, but with the right strategies, it's possible to keep them under control. To recap what we've discussed, fuel prices can have a massive impact on the bottom line of your courier business. However, by implementing some fuel-saving strategies such as regular vehicle maintenance, efficient route planning, and driver training, you can significantly reduce fuel consumption. We've also delved into the world of alternative energy vehicles. Gas-guzzling cars may be the norm, but hybrid, electric, and hydrogen-powered vehicles offer promising alternatives. Each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, from lower running costs to higher upfront investment. But the key is to find the right balance that works for your specific business needs and financial capabilities. With careful planning and consideration, courier business owners like John can find ways to reduce fuel costs and increase their profits. Remember, every drop of fuel saved is a drop of profit earned.